Hello, it's Miss Pam. I chose a poet named Janet Wong for a reason. She just won the most prestigious award. It's a Lifetime Achievement Award for excellence in poetry for children this year. Janet S. Wong wrote this poem called Look for Birds. And I chose the poem because it has a message that's meaningful to me right now in my life. Look for birds. It could be worse. It is worse somewhere for someone. Today will blend into tomorrow. Tomorrow will become next week. Everything happening now will become just one page in a history book 100 years from now. A good poem for 2020 going into 2021. Look for birds.